Hello and good afternoon. We are here with all the important topics right before the US stock market rings the bell. In response to China's slowing economy and increasing consumer price sensitivity, Pizza Hut, a subsidiary of Yum China, has launched a new store format called Pizza Hut Wow. These outlets offer smaller, more affordable versions of popular dishes like pepperoni pizzas, pastas, and steaks at prices significantly lower than those at traditional Pizza Hut restaurants. The first Wow store opened in Guangzhou in May, and over 100 have since been launched across the country, with a goal of reaching 200 stores by year-end. Yum China is also exploring smaller formats for its other brands, including KFC and KCOFFEE kiosks, to cater to growing demand for budget-friendly coffee. The company's CEO, Joey Watt, emphasized that these initiatives show great potential for the future, particularly in a market where low-cost, high-quality services are increasingly important. Despite hopes for economic recovery after the lifting of COVID-19 restrictions, the Chinese catering sector faces challenges, with profits in Beijing's restaurant sector down by 88% in the first half of 2024. The Dutch government has announced new export licensing requirements for specific ASML semiconductor tools, bringing its policy in line with the United States' efforts to restrict China's access to advanced technology. This move effectively reclaims oversight of these tools from the US, which had previously regulated their export as part of a broader strategy to slow China's technological and military advancements. ASML, a Dutch company, stated that it does not expect the new regulations to affect its earnings. The decision, according to Dutch Trade Minister Reinette Cleaver, was made to enhance national security in light of the evolving risks associated with the export of these specific machines. The tools affected are mid-range immersion lithography models, and the decision follows earlier U.S. actions to limit sales of ASML's most advanced equipment to China. This regulatory change is intended to ease diplomatic tensions while ensuring the Netherlands maintains control over its technology exports. Toyota Motor, the world's largest automaker, has revised its electric vehicle (EV) production target for 2026 downwards, reducing the planned output from 1.5 million to 1 million units due to a decline in sales momentum. The company stated that it remains committed to its long-term vision of producing 3.5 million EVs annually by 2030, but clarified that these numbers serve as benchmarks rather than fixed targets. This shift in strategy comes amid a broader industry trend, with other automakers like Volvo Cars and Ford also adjusting their EV plans due to slower than expected market growth. Toyota's move underscores the challenges faced by traditional automakers in transitioning to all-electric fleets, as consumer demand for EVs lags behind expectations. Despite having focused more on hybrid vehicles, Toyota's adjustment suggests a cautious approach to the evolving market landscape, balancing ambition with practical consumer trends. This is all we have for you this week. We are MEXEM TV, and we will be here next week, same place, same time. Goodbye.